Welcome. In this video, we focus on one simple question. What should you feel during a RP-PEMF wellness session? RP-PEMF wellness is designed as a calm, low-load experience, not as a strong or aggressive treatment. Here is what to expect when you are on the system. When you first lie down for a RP wellness session, the main thing you should feel is simple physical comfort. You are lying in a relaxed position, on a mattress, head supported by a pillow. There are no jolts, shocks, or sharp sensations. There is no big startle moment. The system does not jump to a harsh feeling when it turns on. The experience should feel similar to settling onto a comfortable bed or lounger, with the knowledge that the device is running in the background. In RP Wellness, the intention is gentle, conservative exposure that stays inside a comfort zone and in the wellness window by design. During a RP Wellness session, most users either feel very little or nothing at all when the actual pulses occur. They have to rely on the indicator on the device or on hearing a soft cue to ensure that the device is working. Later, during the session, people normally report a sensation of relaxation, feeling sleepily, and this feeling may increase over time when regular RP wellness sessions are taken. What you should not feel is a continuous hammering, jolts, muscle contractions, or sharp pain. Those sensations are not part of an intended wellness experience. In RP Wellness, most of your session is simply spent resting, not feeling the pulses, but becoming more relaxed. Most people close their eyes, breathe normally, and forget about the device. The majority falls asleep. When the session finishes and you get up, you may feel from neutral to slightly more settled, a bit calmer, more relaxed, up to sleepily. Over time, RP Wellness should feel like a calming element in your routine. Over time, your relaxed feeling after a session may become deeper and deeper. To summarize, a RP Wellness session should feel comfortable, calm, and predictable. The intended use of RP Wellness is to promote a relaxing experience. During pulses, you may feel very subtle sensations or nothing noticeable at all. During the session, you should not experience any discomfort. After the session, you should feel neutral, calm, relaxed, or a bit sleepy. If you want a PEMF wellness device engineered on biologic pathway data, not to stimulate or alter physiological processes, but to promote relaxation in a real wellness setting, RP Wellness is the device for you. Yes, animals love RP Wellness.